Hello Masters, I hope you're all having a great day. Ongoing pa rin ang releasing ng bonuses natin and payouts. So sa mga nakatanggap, congratulations sa inyo. As I've promised yung bonuses nyo. Please don't get me wrong about this one guys, but I do need to draw a line somewhere kasi. As you all know, or most of you know, na it's Christmas na, so I've given most of my staffs their Christmas break. So limited ang staffs ko ngayon. I've been managing the trades and yung internal concerns ng company natin, and kanina lang, kakagaling ko sa isang orphanage para mamigay ng gifts and foods. So that's the way of the company giving them back our blessings para sa mga unfortunate. And then, only to find out na may mga members tayo, or rather, may mga new members tayo na mas inuunawa yung sarili nila. And at the same time, sinisiraan pa yung company. It hurts me to say this, or rather do this, but some things are needed to be done para hindi na ulit maulit. Okay? So, for that, sa lahat ng members na nag-comment, nag-post, or nag-message ng negative regarding sa company natin, Royal Bull Master, is being terminated at this moment. So in short, ititira ko naman yung mga naging loyal and patuloy pa rin yung tiwala sa Royal Bull Master. Alright? So salamat sa inyong lahat guys. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang tiwala and see you next year.